Alright, Greasebox 20K greasing the pivot pin. I have an impact and a ratchet, 5/16 on both of them, some grease, and a toothbrush. So let's get started. I'll hold this side over here, that in there. Just like that. I had already loosened this, so it may not come apart that easy. I did deflate the airbag completely. So now I can just take and push this pin like so. Come on the other side and I can pull it out. You don't want to pull it out all the way. Maybe about right there. And I took the grease and the toothbrush, applied it pretty liberally to the shaft, and then over on the other side, I just took and applied it around the inside. You take your pin, push it back in. If it's not completely lined up there, you may need to lift to get it lined up. And then you can take your bolt, get it started, and tighten it back up. Once I reinstall it on the truck, I'll need to reinflate my airbag to get my pressure set back to right, and then it should be good to go. If you want some peace of mind, you may want to pick up some Loctite and put it on those threads before you put it back together. I may pick some up at a later date and put on there just for added security. Otherwise, thanks for watching.